Jacob, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Good, good. So you've come across after switching driving schools.
Yeah, the RAA just wasn't.
Don't say who. Wasn't happening?
Nah, the RAA, the other driving school, just was going to take me for 12-minute lessons minimum. One lesson, well, one double lesson and driving test, and I'm done.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep, put it all together.
Yeah.
So you've done about 6 somewhere else.
Yeah, done about 6 lessons somewhere else.
And how did you learn? How did you find the difference in what you learnt there and what you learnt here?
Skills I learned here are more practical, more real life, will actually work.
Right.
Compared to the one I was actually at before.
Just making sausages, eh?
Yeah, basically.
Pretty boring stuff.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. So you got sick of that and you wanted to get on your way.
Yeah, I wanted to go to a better driving school.
Good. Well, you've done it.
Yeah.
You've got your P's now, mate.
Got my P's now.
So congratulations, Jacob.
Yeah.
All the best in the RAF.
Yeah.
Look forward to hearing from you again one day, maybe, hey?
Yeah, definitely.
Up there.
Maybe one day.
Good on you. Well done. All the best.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jacob. See you, mate.
See ya.